All right, welcome traders to FX Prosperity Weekly top-down analysis, market analysis, as we take a look at the market analysis for the week of today, December 4th, until Friday, December 8th. So one of the things that we do here is that we teach others how to trade the financial markets, whether it's regular Forex, whether it's commodities, metal, indices, and also futures. So if you're interested, please click on the link and then we can connect it and we can have a discussions on what your trading goals needs are and things like that. We also have a free course where you can actually join in and take one of our basic courses if you just want to see and get the basic understanding. It's free. You just click here and you'll be logged into our services and then you can start taking the basic courses to see if that's something you're interested in learning. Okay. So just real quick from a risk disclaimer standpoint, trading the financial market is very, very, very risky. You can lose some of all of your money. So we totally and always recommend to trade with demo facilitated money, which is the demo account. So anytime you pay with the paper account, you can't lose. So we always recommend you to trade with a demo account, find a mentor, find a trading academy or someone that can teach you how to trade, whether it's us or whether it's someone else, it doesn't matter. Just long as you learn from someone who's been very successful or a group who's been very successful. Now, a lot of people say, well, why should I pay for a training course? Just like you would pay for a university. Okay, so anything that's shown here, again, it's just for educational purposes. Okay, now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and go over the news for the week, what's going on, and what we got scheduled. So today is Monday. We had Swiss French, J, CPI, and we'll be taking a look and see how that went. And then today we really didn't have much going on for New York, so it wasn't really exciting. And then for the afternoon for agent session, we do have Australia red folder, which is the Reserve Bank of Australia cash rate. So they would be making an interest rate statement. They were previously at 4.35, expected to come in at about 4.35. So really probably no change, and it probably will cause Australia to have an initial, I would say, weak currency reaction. And we'll take a look at the chart to see if that is going to technically play out. Okay. Then we're moving on to Tuesday. So on Tuesday, we have tomorrow nothing really going on for Europe session from a red folder perspective. We are having some, some little PMI news. This will move the market just because of its London session, its ebbs and flows. And then at 10 o'clock, we do have ISM manufacturing services. So nothing big, but it is a red folder, means it will have an impact. And the market makers and institutional traders will use this time to play on fundamentals to move the market. Okay. Um, and then we have Australia to finish off the Asian session or start off the Asian session at the end of the day for Tuesday with their GDP quarter on quarter. Okay, so that's Tuesday. All right, so moving on for Wednesday. Wednesday, we got a little bit more news. We call Wednesday Reversal Wednesday. We call Thursday Turnaround Thursday because this is when most of the reversal or hard swing or shift of structure, market shift of structure usually occur on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Okay. So in London session, we really don't have much going on. At 8:15, we do have ADP non-farm payroll. This is not the non-farm payroll. This is just the payroll company ADP kind of reporting their numbers and what they're seeing. So the market, they're going to use it to move the market. So you'll see some dollar and gold impact as well as the indices movements. Okay. And then around 8:30, we got some more, news. Nothing big, but just news to move the market, just an excuse, right? Then at 10 o'clock, we got a big one. Bank of Canada. This is our second central bank rate decision this week. So we had Australia, which is happening tonight. And then we got Bank of Canada, which is happening on Wednesday morning. So this is going to move Canada. So this is a second central bank rate decision for the week. And then we have our usual commodity crude oil inventory at 10:30. So if you are trading oil like we do have pre-market opening. We trade the pre-market around 4 a.m. Eastern time, so we'll catch a move before then, and then we probably won't get another swing move until after 10:30, and we'll kill it on that one. So that'll give us our daily cash flow for Wednesday on crude oil. Okay. All right, moving on till Thursday. Thursday looked like a lot of news, but just no big red folder news, right? Just the unemployment claim. So at 8:30, expect some moves, some market movements, dollar, gold. Nothing like CPIs and PPI and FOMC rate decision, but it's enough to move the market. Just a lot of volume. So for Thursday, we got about really good 3 weeks of trading this month. And then the last week of December, it's not going to be much. And then the first week of January is going to be pretty much slow. Okay. And then at the end of the day, we do have more Japan news. It's yellow, but because it's Asian session and because it's JPY, expect the market to be moved after these news about 8 p.m. Eastern time, right? So any JPY pairs, we'll take a look. But other than that, Europe session, just a lot of junk news, but it's enough to push the volume, right? Nothing to shift the market, but it's enough to move the market. So if we don't get a shift on Wednesday, then we're definitely going to get some type of reversal on turnaround Thursday. Okay. So that's for Thursday. Okay, so let's take a look on Friday. Oh, it's non-farm payroll Friday. Yes, ding ding ding. For the US. Canada had their non-farm payroll basically last week on Friday, and it really wasn't much, but they had their event last week. Normally, Canada and the US has it at the same time on the first Friday of the month. Our first Friday for non-farm payroll will be this Friday on December 8th, and that would be the last non-farm payroll of the year. Don't worry about Chinese Canada currency unless you're trading it. We don't trade Chinese currencies. I'm not even sure why I even have it. But expect the market to make some major shift moves on Friday. Okay. So that will wrap up Friday. Don't have much other than that, just two central bank news. So let's take it to the charts. Okay. Let's start off with the dollar. This is the dollar index. This is on Friday, right? You can see how we had this big old news moving up. This was a Russia-Ukraine situation that went up, and then we've since moved that since October 2022. Now, like a year later, we pretty much came up 50% of this swing here, this swing there. Yeah, for 50%. Let me see, I'm gonna show you. What do you think? 50%. This is the premium. This is the discount zone. This is 50%. Boom. This is on a daily. Okay. So now that we have 50%, check this out. We couldn't take out this high. So because we couldn't take out that high, we got a little bit of a market shift, shifted market, right? So we got a shift, market shift. We got some displacement, went up, came all the way down, and 50% of this swing. Isn't that interesting? Like 50% is all over the place. So what I'm talking about is this swing and this swing, 50% of the move. There it is right there. You don't believe me? Oh, let's check it out. Boom, 50%. It came up a little bit more than 50%, but it came all the way down right here, 50%. And now we're looking like we're trying to make our move back up. And we did have a shift. We have some displacement here. The market did go up, market went up, came back down, and now the market's back up. Here it is. So now we have this break of structure. I'm gonna go down to the 4-hour time frame so you can see the market shift of structure. So we had a break of structure right here. Let me go ahead and mark that right there. Breakup structure, we're creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. What do you think? I think we're onto something. So we're looking for the dollar to start continue to pick up strength. We'll probably see the market probably go all the way up here, which it has a lot of reasons to do so. Well, for one reason is because we do have a supply zone right there. That is a major supply zone. Let me go ahead and mark that as today's more like a weekly. We'll go ahead and put that as a weekly supply zone right there. That's an order block before we make that swing. But the other reason is because we have a big old fair value gap. So this balances is most likely are going to come up there and get some mitigation. At least this one for sure. That fair value gap imbalances still need to be mitigated. So we are definitely going here, but we most likely will be going here as well. And then once we get up there, we are most likely going to probably shift back down. And when we shift back down, that's going to be it probably for the remainder of the year. That's it. And then most likely we are definitely going to be coming down here right back at this level. We'll probably come, like I said, we'll probably come up right here. We're not even going to come up this high. We'll probably come up this high. So I'm expecting some dollar strength. I am bearish on the dollar, obviously. So what this move is, it's not really a bull move, even though it's moving up. This would be more of a pullback to the downtrend. Okay. And I would expect 2024 to be all about the dollar weakness. Okay. So that is what I'm seeing for the dollar. Okay. So I'm expecting the dollar to go up. That means I am expecting gold to come down. So let's take a look at gold on the daily. Ooh, what the hell happened to gold? Are you serious? We have a record high on gold. Gold went up to 2148. It just shot up. That means it shot up like right at, market openings. Yeah, right at Sunday night market opening. But look what happened now. We have since dropped. Well, what happened in the last time we did high? Came back down, came back down, came back down. Oh yeah, we're coming down. We are coming down here. Let me show you what's going to probably happen. Got too many marks here. Okay, let me go down to the 4 hours. Ooh, okay, I see it now. Okay, yep. All right, so this is what I'm seeing for gold. We're going to probably come to about that location. Go to the daily. Yep, about 1974. I can see gold going here. Now, if gold really pushes hard, if it breaks this level right here, this is the 50% swing. This is the swing here, the swing high. This is the equilibrium. If the gold drops lower, then I can see it coming down all the way down to this weekly supply level. But I don't see it gold coming that far. That means gold would dollars just have to continue to be strong. But I do see gold right here. This is my target. And then I'll be looking to buy gold. Okay. Now for a swing trade, which I will probably call out for our traders. So our traders get swing trade calls and our Telegram signal. So if you want to be interested in part of our live stream, we do have our live stream. We do offer that for those who like to daily scalp trade with us and receive swing trades. This is what you can come in right here and $1.99 a month, and I can guarantee you that one trade you win will probably and more than likely cover the cost of the subscription, which is exactly what it's designed to do, right? So if you sign up and you get all of this, everything that comes with this is more than enough value, which I make probably about $1 an hour with me trading with you guys 5 days a week, 25 hours a week or more. You guys are actually getting a deal. And this is not bad. Take one trade. Hey, take one swing trade, and you're gonna make more than enough, right? Okay, so uh probably didn't share my screen there. Let me go back. And this is what I was talking about. Sorry about that. I was talking about this screen. When you come here, when you come to the daily plan here, you come through and you see all the plans. You see the free plan. I'm talking about this one right here. Talking about the live trading session and everything that you get with this, right? So feel free to come on and get some of our uh, swing trade signal. Take one, take two, trade live with us, daily scalp with us on indices, with your prop firm, your personal account, your demo account, and come trade with us, right? And you get some daily trades. So this is what I'm looking for, and this is what I'm going to call out because we have our spreadsheet that all of our coaching students in live trade room actually get. What I'm looking at from a bullish or bearish standpoint, what trades we're getting, and when we enter, what stop loss, what's the take profit, are we active, is when to exit, when to move your trades. These are all the hot trades that we have set up. So these are the things that we're looking at. So if you're interested in something like that, feel free to reach out. We'll be more than happy to have you. So with that being said, this is a nice move. I would expect gold to come up, mitigate this for a value gap, and guess what? That is when I'm going to call it out. Yep, it's time. Time to enter short. And that's what we're going to be looking for. We're going to be looking to get short and trade this all the way down until we can get to about right here. And probably about that time, we're going to be looking to go long. But this will be a counter trend trade. We're going to be looking to short. We'll probably put our stop loss somewhere around here when it gets set up. And then non-farm payroll most likely will push that thing all the way down. So what, even though we're bullish on gold, I am looking for gold to pull back. This will be a counter trend trade to the short side, possibly around here, maybe around here, and then we'll be looking to flip long. Okay, so that's gold. Look at indices real quick. S&P 500, we do trade this, and S&P did come all the way down, get a nice trade, come all the way down. It's going to close bearish. If you look at the market, it is almost fully recovered. We came all the way down here. We can bounce off this major demand zone, came all the way back up here, and look what we did. We did basically a 100% retracement to this zone here. So what do you think we're going to get? Well, we're going to get a little bit of pullback. I don't think it's just going to keep going, especially when we just look at the dollar, and the dollar looked like it's already made a shift going up. So S&P 500 is basically inverse correlated to the dollar. So if the dollar continues to be strong, then we can expect this market to come down. Now, it has every reason to. Got a fair value gap there, fair value gap, a lot of imbalance here, right? So it kind of makes sense. And plus, we are at a major weekly supply level, and we are possibly will break it right here, which is the weekly demand level. And we do have another one here as well. So I'm at least taking it to about here. And then we're probably taking another assessment to see where gold is, the dollar is at. But anything else, I'm looking to short the market. I do expect the market to pull back, and I am expecting at least a 50%. Yeah, that makes sense. Look at 50% correlate with right in the middle. That order block looks really, really good. So that is what I'm expecting for the S&P 500. Also, NASDAQ and US 30 are going to correlate. US 500 is going to lead. NASDAQ 100, US 30 is going to follow. So I'm expecting the S&P 500 to pull back at least 50% of the swing. It may get into the 618. It may get into 786, depending on how bad non-farm payroll is for S&P. And we may shoot all the way down. Could go here. It can. I don't think it will, but it could. Now, we do have our next FOMC rate decision, and it may wait until then before that happens. And if it does, then that could be the time that it could do it. Now, our next rate decision here is in December, and I believe it's December 13th. Yep, December 13th. We're looking at about next week on Wednesday. And there is a 99.7%. We are not going to raise interest rate, right? So at that time next week on Wednesday, we could possibly expect the market to continue going all the way down non-farm payroll. And then about Wednesday, why Wednesday? Wednesday seems like a reversal. Oh, wow. Yeah, we could get the reversal on Wednesday. Hello. So around Wednesday next week on the 13th, when FOMC make their decision, it may spike down and then we may get some strength on the indices and then that'll be it for around with this um, fractal right here, this trading zone, we'll be done with this, and now we'll be into the new market, into a recovery. Okay, so that's S&P 500. Let's take a look at oil. Oil, how's oil doing? Ooh, oil is bearish. Ooh, I love it. It's coming right off of this supply level, coming right here, this demand level. I am bearish on oil. I'm looking for oil to come in around 70, 68, 66, 64. Why would it be there? Well, how? It came there before. Look, right here, right there, right there, right there, right there. Oop, not that, right there, right there. Like that. So it can come here and it can come here. And then I'm expecting the market to come back to about 75, 78 and go back to that range it was doing. You know what I mean? So it can come back into this range. But I am expecting oil to come all the way back here by year end and just do this again, and then we'll decide which. I don't think the oil is going to come back up here, but I think it's going to come back lower and it's just going to come around here. It's going to range around there. Either way, we'll make money. You can swing trade oil, but we like to day trade oil because it does pay out and you get those nice little moves on oil. So I know a lot of people who just trade oil and make a lot of money. You can make six figures just trading oil. So if you're interested in trading oil and learning how to trade oil with us, it will pay you. One thing I always tell people, unless you learn about the commodities market, especially like crude oil, U.S. oil, CL for futures, you will love it knowing that how much it moves more than gold. Yeah, I know. Okay, so if we're expecting dollar to be bullish, that means we will be expecting the inverse correlated pair, euro dollar, to go down. Ooh, is it going down? Let's take a look. There it is. Yep. We got the gray for bearish and you got the white for bullish. So look, it's making this move down. Ooh. So we got this break of structure, which is right here. This break of structure. Boom. All right, we got a displacement, break of structure. Oh, that means I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback. And guess what, guys? I can see it coming right there before we come back up. It could come down here, but we know we at least be able to come there. Why? Because there's an order block sitting right here on the 4 hours. Look at this. Right here. 4-hour order block. Watch my indicator pop it up on the screen. And it's going to go boop without me having to draw it all out. It's right here. So I'm looking for euro dollar to come up to about 1.06. We did come to this structure here. We're coming up right there. This is a nice let me see. Yeah, I would expect it to come right here, 618. That's a nice bid number. 618. It's in correlation. That's aligned with the weekly demand level. So I'm looking for it to come down. So what I'm going to do is I have it on a sheet for my planning folks, for those in our live trade room who want to come in and watch the trading sheet. So I do have the euro dollar all laid out, telling you exactly what we're going to do, how we're going to do it, what we need to wait for, and then they'll get the signal once I put it into the Telegram channel, and they'll be ready to trade immediately. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for this to pull back, and it might pull back around Tuesday. This could be Wednesday or Thursday. And then we're going to be looking to take this market down to about right there and get some counter trend. This is going to be a counter trend. Why? Because we are bullish, but I am expecting a little bit of pullback before it goes up. Okay. So that's the most important thing for me here. As you can see, we broke this trend line. If you see this dash trend line here, Let me make this trend line a little bit darker. You see this dash trend line here? We bounce off of here, bounce off of here, and we finally broke it. So now that's kind of break of structure here, along with the break of structure. We're going to come up here for a change of character. We got a nice displacement coming up. Maybe fell into a little fair value gap. That'd be nice. But if anything, it fell into a fair value gap on the 1 hour. So let's look at the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, we got a fair value gap here. We got a fair value gap here. So this looks like a nice little fair value gap mitigation that it can take. We'll take that. We'll be ready to trade and sell it and take a little bit of counter trend trade here. So I'll be looking at that. I think this is definitely going to be looking good, but I am kind of, even though it's overall bullish, I am bearish for short term for a counter trend trade. Okay, let's look at pound dollar, and euro dollar. They're both brothers and sisters. Ooh, we got a double top. Ooh, I love it. We got double top. You know what that means? That's M, baby. M for money. Look at that. So this is on the daily. Let me go here. That was more clear on the 4 hour, huh? So yeah, let me go back to the 4 hour. You can see it right here. Up, down, up, down. Ooh, the fair value gap. Come out. That's going to be our entry. Then right there, and then we'll probably be ready to go back up. But in the meantime, I'm looking at the kick in right here. So I will be sending that signal soon as pound dollar comes back up. Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that. That'd be nice. Go back up. A little bit down. We're not going to sell it right here. We're going to sell it till we get right here. We'll probably put a stop loss somewhere around here and get some nice pips writing that down. All right, so that's pound dollar. So I am bearish for a pullback back down to about 50%, right? But we are going to be overall be bullish on pound dollar, but we're just going to take advantage of the dollar strength temporarily when it comes back down, and that'll be pound dollar. Okay, our dollar. Ooh, our dollar. Ooh, this is also looking good. What's that? Oh, that's an M pattern. Ooh, it couldn't close above that. Come back down. Fair value gap, entry. Boom. Yes, let's do it right there. That's going to be our target. I love that. I think I'm going to call that one out too. All right, guys, this is going to be a nice reversal. Our dollar for a nice pullback before we come back all the way up. Take advantage of the dollar strength. How about NCD dollar? Oh my God, these are all setting up really nice. Okay, I'm gonna take that one off. Okay, the fair value gap. Okay, we got to take one. Can't take them all. Right? NCD dollar, odd dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar. I think I got it on the sheet, guys. I'm giving you guys the setup. We'll be calling it out in the live trade room. But for those who's looking and watching this video for analysis, if you're thinking about taking a short on NCD dollar and odd dollar, you are right. We're right at the weekly supply level. We are taking it right here at, let me see, we're right above the 618 from this swing here, right? We're above the 618, close to the 786. I don't think it's going to go any higher. And I think tonight's news, hint, Australia's Reserve Bank will be announcing their interest rate. It will most likely impact the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. Today might be a good trade to take a trade. But anyway, so that's NCD all dollar. Just pick one. Okay, just look at dollar CAD. Do we have a central bank news for dollar CAD coming up this week? Yes, we do. When? It's supposed to be happening Wednesday at 10 o'clock a.m. Oh, reversal Wednesday. Okay, well, where's the market at now? It's bearish. Ooh, this is almost 100% retracement. Okay, so what are we looking at? We're looking at 786. I would expect, let's see, where is CAD at right now? Oh, CAD's right here, right there right now. Okay. Okay, so this is where dollar CAD's at. And I would like to see dollar CAD come back and give us a W, right? Then after that, we'll probably see CAD weakness and the dollar strength for a nice little pullback. Okay, so I am bearish overall on dollar CAD. Don't get me wrong. We are bearish. I get that. But I am going to expect a little bit of a pullback, at least to this nice weekly supply zone right there. Market about right here, somewhere around here. I'm gonna go to the daily, and yeah, right there. That'd be nice. I'll put that right about 1.36. That's where I'm expecting the dollar CAD to come up to. That'd be a nice move, nice pullback, nice move, and then boom, we'll roll over for the rest of the year. Or even moving into January. Okay, so that is dollar CAD. All right, how about dollar Swiss francs? Ooh, same difference. This is coming in real nice, coming in right into the 86 of this swing. Let's take dollar strength. Let's push this bad boy up to about 1.90. There's a nice fair value gap in right there. I love it. So that's a nice place to take some profit. And I would expect to see some comeback, and then eventually maybe dollar would be more stronger than Swiss francs over time. It'd be more about the dollar Swiss francs weakness than it is the dollar, but I am expecting this market to go up. Dollar Swiss francs, I will be calling this out as well as an opportunity. How about UJ? UJ. Okay, UJ, what do we got? We got a break of structure. Yeah, right there. It's also up here too. And we are bearish. We got a nice shift of market structure. That is awesome. Look at that. That is nicely. Ooh, nice shift. Boom. All right. So what we're looking at. So on a daily, well, we are expecting the dollar strength to come in, right? Yep, but that's not until about Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. We are strong right now, so I could expect maybe a little bit more Japanese yen strength. We don't have a Japanese, currency rate decision this week, which is great because who knows, that thing would just get weak and everyone just take advantage of the yen weakness. But since the yen is strong and taking over right now, the good thing is we may see a little bit more drop and then a pop, right? Right about there. So if you go to the 4 hour, I am expecting the yen to come in maybe a little bit more down, maybe about right there, give it a little bit of W, give it a little bit of a shift, and be a little bit of a counter trend. This will be a buy counter trend to come back down to the shorter trend. Okay, so USD I would expect you want to buy it. So it is bearish. I am expecting a little bit of a market shift up for a pullback before we go back down. Okay. All right, let's look at the other JPY pairs. Looks like JPY is kicking in for some strength. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Ding, ding, ding. Look at that. Nice. All right. Ooh, yen's kicking butt. Let's go. Okay. All right. So we got about 50%. I would expect a little bit more room into this weekly demand level right there. I'm going to take that weekly demand. I like to see it come up, mitigate this little fair value gap, and then come back down. So I am bearish on EJ. Nice break of structure, come in, displacement, pull back. Come on, let's go. Ooh, check. It's just going to be the year of the yen. Look at that double top. Now we had some double tops over here. Yeah, it came back up, but it kept going, kept going. But is this going to be maxed out? This is nice, nice. All right. So here's what I am expecting. I'm expecting yen to kick some more yen butt against pound and euro. I like to see it come down about right here, come back up. That's going to be a nice break of structure. So I'm expecting more pound yen weakness, come down, and then maybe a pound pullback, and then we are going to come and take out all of this path of least resistance. This is going to be nice. All right. This might be the turning point for pound yen. I am expecting more bearishness on pound yen. Okay. How about the other yen crosses like CAD yen? Ooh, look at this CAD yen. How about this one? Oh, CAD yen has been weakness. We haven't taken out that high. We didn't take out that high. We're creating lower lows, lower highs. Ooh. All right. So let's go down, go back up, and come back down. So I'm bearish on CAD yen. All right. So it looks like we're creating some head and shoulders, some AMs and triple top. This thing has not been able to take out this high on a higher time frame. Look at this. This is not where you want to buy. This is where you want to look for sell. And swing trading forex is what I love to do. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to, this bad boy is going to break this weekly supply level. And when it breaks, if you wanted to put like a sell stop here and just say, you know what, I'm going to catch this break and this breakout, that's fine. We're going to trade the pullback. We're going to wait for it to pull back. We're going to wait for it to fail to take out the side. And we're going to sell this bad boy. And CAD yen is definitely on the short side. So I'm bearish on CAD yen. How about AUD? We move that. Ooh, AUD. Double top. I'll like to take this high. Love that trend break. Ooh, all right. Yeah, I think AUD, buddy. Ooh, I know I called out AUD last week. It pulled back, but I think AUD might be ready. Do we have odd news coming in? Yes, we do. We have odd news coming in tonight. Let me see. Yeah, we haven't been above here since October 2014. Wow, that was over damn near 10 years ago. 2000, 30 years ago. Ooh, that's a long time. No, I'm sorry. 10 years ago. Yeah, 10 years ago. 2014 and 2000 and 10 years ago. 2014. So we haven't been above that. So I don't see us taking out this high. That was of 2022 September. And we're right back in here. Oh yeah, let's go. We're gonna short this bad boy. All right, so I'm bearish. I like the failure here. I'm gonna see the breakup structure right about here. Let's see the pullback right here. Odd yen. Boom. Japanese strength. Odd weakness for the showdown. Let's take it down. Okay, I know I called this out last week. That was bearish. It pulled back a little bit more. We're getting ready to make this more trend line break here. Odd yen did make the break, as you guys saw on odd yen. Odd yen did make the break across that trend line, and looked like NCD yen is not, but it's getting ready to make it. We've already touched it here. We tried to take it out. We did a rate on liquidity, could not close above this with a candlestick, full candlestick body close or candlestick body close. We did get some wick, did get some wick. I love that doji candle here or spinning top on a daily. That is a nice bear candle coming down. I like to see this come down here, pull back, and that's going to be a prime time to take this bad boy short. Oh yeah. Okay. Yep, I'm bearish. NCD yen. All right. How about chef's yen? Is it ready yet? Is it ready? Do we have something here? Oh yeah, I think we got something. This is it. So we couldn't take out that high. It was a little bit lower. We're gonna have a nice break of structure right there, right after that wick. It's coming down. Oh yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Be ready. All right, so we're gonna take this up. We're going to take it up right there. And the path of least resistance. Look at all of this money. All of this money, and it's just going to be accumulated on chef's yen. Historical high has never been this high. Look at, let me go to the monthly. Look at, oh wait. I don't like this data feed, but the other data feed showed there was some history yen back in 1971, but it hasn't been this high at all. Swiss French been taking advantage of yen strength. It's time to take it down. I like to see this top. Okay, once we break the structure right here, I want to see it break the structure, come down. I want to see a pullback, get that change of character, confirm, and then we're going to short this bad boy. But it's not quite ready yet. But we could take an early entry and put a stop loss here, but I'd be more concerned about getting this break of structure, then pull back, and let's catch the entries. Okay. So that's all the yen. How about euro odd? How's euro odd looking? Is odd strength? Did it take advantage of that euro weakness? It did, but it's back after supply didn't break out. Oh, That sucks. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Well, I think odd weakness. Like we're gonna go back in this range. It didn't break out. It should have broke out, but it didn't. So it looked like odd strength, odd weakness may not. Depends on how that news we get reacted tonight on the Australian, bank rate decision. So the Reserve Bank of Australia, it may be weak. We're bouncing off of here. We didn't break through. So this tells me technically, I would expect to see a weakness on the currency for Australia to push it back up. And then this is where I want to short it. So I am bearish on the Euro Australia, but this is not the place you want to short it. You want to short it when that bad boy pulled back. I want to get it right there. We got a nice little fair value gap there, and I'm sure we got some more fair value gap imbalances on the 4 hour. Okay, so I want to see that pull back. So euro dollar short, but it's not quite ready yet. How about pound out? They're both the same damn thing. Oh, yep, didn't break. All right, I want to see this pull back. Once this pull back gets back in this range, that's where I want to short that bad boy. Right freaking here. I want to short that right there. That's where I want to short it. Okay. And then we can take it back down. So I am bearish on pound art as well, but they're both not ready yet. All right. We'll wait for it. Okay. EuroCAD. Ooh, EuroCAD was a nice trade for us. We did hit TP. We got a nice TP here. And guess what? I am expecting CAD weakness to come back up, cover this imbalances. Maybe about right there. I got it marked up on our chart. That was TP. Nice trade. Okay. So nice trade down. We're right at a nice location for to take advantage of possibly Wednesday. Depend if Wednesday did if this thing comes down here, then I'm expecting Wednesday to go up. Now, if the pair goes up, and let's say it comes up here Wednesday, then I would expect this to be the shift. So is it Wednesday shift here? Or is it Wednesday shift here? Whatever day it is, that's the trade you're going to trade it. In other words, if it comes down even further, and then we're going to want to take the counter trend here. If it comes up by Wednesday or Thursday, then this is where we're going to want to take the short. This is how I'm seeing it. I'm bearish on EuroCAD. I want to see the pullback, and then I want to take the entry for a sell on EuroCAD. All right, let's take a look on PoundCAD, see how is that doing. We didn't take the trade on PoundCAD, but we did take advantage on EuroCAD. Oh, this is because PoundCAD did not make that move. It made the first leg, and we got to have two legs. Two legs. What kind of leg? Two legs. This is the first leg. That's the first part of the M. Now we need another M. Let's get this one. All right, so I'm expecting this to come back up, and guys, this will be ready. This will be ready. Pound on. I'm bearish. I'm ready to take this market and take this market down to at least 50% equilibrium right here. This is what I'm seeing. We came close, came back up. We can't take out this high, couldn't take out this high, and we're creating a lower low. We got a little break of structure right there. I'm looking for a change of character, and then boom, pound CAD to be ready. I will let my trade room and live trade room subscribers know to be able to take that trade and get a potential 100, 2, 3, 400 pips. UNCD. Oh man, we missed this one. That was a nice M right there. Boom. Okay, well, fine. We'll take this pullback and we'll trade it right there. We take it. Unless it comes up right here, we're going to take this down. All right. I'm bearish. This is the daily time frame. Why am I bearish? Well, look. Take a look. See it? Talk about it right here. Talking about this. Talking about this. That's what I'm talking about. Look where we're at. Well, not quite up there like this one and this one was, but we're pretty darn close, right? We came back, swing here. We came back, swing here. Come back, swing here. I think so. So I'll tell you what. I like it. I want to be bearish. We couldn't take out that high. As you can see the market, shift the market structure right there. High. You got a lower high, an equal high, and then it came all the way down. Oof, I love it. How about this? Let's pull back. I'm expecting a little bit more NCD weakness, just like odd weakness, come back up. And this is where we're going to want to take our trade back here. Okay. So I got that on our sheets. I'm bearish. Euro NCD. How about pound NCD? Same damn difference. Just a little bit different. We got an M on here as well. Right there, M. So that's nice. This is what I'm talking about right here. This is nice move. I want to see a little bit move back, and then I want to see it go down here. Look at this. This is not where you want to buy. You don't want to buy it here. You don't want to buy it here. You want to sell it up here. It gave you a sell. We missed that one. It didn't take out that high. Gave you a little high. Gave you an equal high. And now it's coming back. I say a little bit more, and then let's sell this bad boy. Let's take this bad boy down. Okay. So pound NCD, I'm looking for a pullback, and then we'll be able to sell this one too. So I'm bearish on pound NCD. How about euro pound? Ooh, nice move, euro pound. Nice move. You went all the way up, came all the way down to about 886. Is that about 886? I'm sorry to get in the way. 886. Yeah, let's take this up. Okay, nope, not yet. We're gonna let it pop. Let it come back. Let us get it a W. We won't take it on the first leg. We'll take it on the second leg. I'll let you know when it's ready for my live trade room subscribers and coaching students, and then I'll put it in the signals, and then we'll be ready to take this bad boy here, here, or possibly here. Okay, you can see how we're making this move here. Came back down. Nice move back, but I was bearish, but now I want to see this pop and go this high. Okay, look like we're not able. We're going to close today a little bullish, but I want to see it pull back. If it doesn't take out this low, then yeah, we might go see a little bit lower. But right now, I'm looking to buy it, even though it is bearish. I am looking to buy this market. Okay, we're in the discount. This is where you want to buy it, in the discount area. And let's see if we can take it higher. Let's see how much higher it will go. It goes higher than this or higher than that. Okay. All right, euro pound. Looking to take it long. Pound Swiss francs. Ooh, okay, we're in this range for a little bit. Okay. All right, so this is what I'm looking at. I think we got the pullback that we're looking for. Great. Let's take this up. All right, so we're going to be looking to take advantage of Swiss francs weakness. It's having a hard time breaking out this low here. There's no other imbalances. I think it's time to go ahead and consider buying long. I would not short it. You don't want to short it. Look at this. Look at this. You want to short it down here? To where? Where? It hasn't been down here at all. Let me go put it on the monthly. Look at this is pound Swiss francs. You want to buy it down here? I mean, you want to sell it down here? Now? Here? 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 If you want to sell it, you should have sold it up here. I can probably take it right here and sell it, but you don't want to sell it down here. Look, this is on the monthly. Look, this is back in 2002. Seriously, we got to be buying. Let's buy this bad boy. This bad boy is ready to go. Look at bouncing over here, came back up. Let's go. So got this nice little pullback. Hey, you better off buying. Okay, so I'm bullish. Pound Swiss francs, let's buy. Okay, CAD Swiss francs. How about CAD Swiss francs? Oh, CAD, let's see. Yeah, I'm bullish. CAD Swiss francs, pound Swiss francs, let's buy. Let's go. All right, so we're going to be looking to take this. We're going to buy this one as well. I'll be calling this out. This is nice. It's ranging, ranging, ranging. If you look at the monthly, look at this all-time low. Ooh, 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 ooh. Love it. All right. So we're gonna listen, if you want to buy something, buy CAD Swiss francs. But we are expecting a little bit of CAD weakness possibly, but it should be stronger than Swiss francs. Even though both currency might be weak. Okay. Odd CAD. Nice one, odd. Nice strength. I love it. Took advantage of CAD weakness, but I am expecting CAD strength and weakness to come in. Maybe a little bit more CAD weakness, but I think the CAD's going to be stronger than odd, especially after tonight. Look at this nice fair value gap. Seems like a nice place to come back and mitigate. I am short, knowing that we are at the weekly supply and we got this fail to take out this high on a 4-hour time frame. It looked like we got a nice triple top, not able to take out this high, got a nice shift to market structure, break of structure, come back. I want to see this nice mitigation here. Oh yeah, I'm bearish. Odd CAD. Okay, NCD CAD. How about NCD CAD? Ooh, oh, that's nice. Came all the way back here on the daily. Go here on the daily. Okay, we came out way up here, 100% retracement. Down there, can't take that high. Okay, yep, I'm bearish. I like to see NCD CAD kick its butt, come on down, and then we'll come back up. So NCD CAD, I'm bearish. Odds Swiss French, I'm bullish, especially down here. Look at this. Look at the weekly. Look at the monthly. You want to sell? Anybody want to sell it down here? This is prices right here right now. Anybody want to sell? No. We're gonna buy. Is it ready yet? Let's see, we got first leg, second leg. Oh yeah, folks. I think it's almost time to buy odds with French. I think they're both going to be weak, but I think odds going to be a little bit stronger. NCD. Oh, same damn difference. Nice. Yeah. Okay. So maybe a little bit more pullback, and then we'd be ready to buy NCD Swiss francs if you like NCD Swiss francs. Okay, what's going on with odd NCD? Ah, love it. Again, this symmetrical triangle. It's going to look like this. And then it might break out here, and then it might break out here. It could break out either way, but right now it is not nothing to be beautifully to trade. There's nothing going on, right? Nothing going on. If anything, you would want to buy it, right? Buy it when it gets a supply and see if you want to trade this range. Okay, so this is the nasty ugly pair. I would say it's coming off this high. It's coming off this triangle. I would say it's kind of probably want to come back down, but it can come back up as well. Either way, I'm not trading it. There's nothing set up here. Pass. Okay, Euro Swiss francs. Hmm? Go to monthly. It's low since 2002. Okay, this is where we sell. We sell the low. Huh? No, of course not. What the hell are you be selling down here for? Let's go back to the daily. Let's really take a look at this. Let's see what's going on. Ah, I love it. Okay, this. Let's go up. That's right. Perfect. It's prime. It's ready. If you ready, I'm ready. Let's buy it. Euro Swiss francs. Okay, hold on. I want to see a little bit of a. You can buy it. You know what? I like this. I really do. I do like this Euro Swiss francs. I would buy it, and let's buy it to about right here. Nice and balances. I like to see this bad boy come up and take this out. I think this is going to be ready to go. Swiss francs, I'm bullish. Let's take it. It's down. It came all the way down here. It's been down here since September 2022. It was down here in October, and now it's back here December. Let's go. Let's go. Look what happened the last time it was here, September 22, went up. Look at the last time it was here last month, October 23rd, 2 months ago, October 23rd, went up. Let's take this bad boy up. I'm Euro Swiss francs. Let's buy. Oh, that's it. Let's see Bitcoin. One more. I love Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a hot topic. Whoa, what is this, Leonard? Oh, this is my projection. 85,000? Okay, wait. Come on. Let's focus here. Let's see where we're at. This was the high of Bitcoin. This was back in November 2021. Hint, hint, 2 years ago, right? It was at 69. And it came all the way down to create this low around 15.3. You see this move? 50% right here. Are we there yet? Oh my, this is the 50% equilibrium. What's there? Price is at 41.8. Right here, 50%, that 50% again. There you go. All right, so just now then we hit the 50%, guess what? Pull back. Expect a little bit of pullback. Maybe not down to 35, maybe, you know, possibly 38, but it could come down to 35. I doubt if it comes all the way down to 26. It's not going to happen, not with the Bitcoin halving going. Okay. Or it may pull back just a little bit. But right now, I got to tell you, it is prime. It's prime for a little bit of pullback. And then we're going to be, after that pullback, we got FOM rate decision, everything else. Next week, I can see 42.8. And then after 42.8, we're going to see 51. It'll be a new year. I think I'm seeing 50 by the end of the year, 50 by December. At least 42. This is close enough. Oh, we're already there already. Okay, 50. 50 by year end. Next year, 60. Year after that, back to the 70. Not the year after that. Later in the year, February, March, April, May, June. Right here, we're going to be at 85. That's what I'm seeing. 85 by June. A Bitcoin? Oh my gosh, you only need one. All right, guys, this is what I'm saying. Bitcoin winter is over. We're now in a bull run, and Bitcoin is through the roof, and it is gaining like it ain't no tomorrow. I mean, literally, if you would have had Bitcoin and you bought it right here when it was 15,000, you just now got 171%. You almost tripled your money just like that. 171%. Not double, damn near tripled your money, right? But if you held it, then you got tripled your value back. All right. All right. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed my analysis. Feel free to reach out. Remember, we got FS Prosperity Academy. That's what we do. This is what we are. We help traders, be profitable with their platform account. We do not play around when it comes to market analysis. I teach you how to do everything what you just saw in our trading plan. You'll learn everything. Pure mentorship. I've been trading for over 7 years now, right? Trade millions of dollars, manage millions of dollars, manage my own money, and I help other traders be successful. Now, I'm very selective because I don't like to train others because it takes a lot of my time. So I'm very selective. So, but if you like to come and trade with me and just want to trade live and just want to just take trades and just copy into your paper account, your trading account, maybe your demo account, whatever the case may be, obviously with training, but you can earn while you learn and watching it. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this educational video. Have a great week. For all of my coaching students in live trade room, watch out for the signals. It's coming. Have a good day, guys.